Hello everyone. What I have here is an Abus Brady lockout tagout lock. See, it's branded both Brady and Abus. It's the 7140, and if you look closely you can see that it's a miniature version of the 888 keyway, where it spells out Abus from left to right in the wording. Very cool little lock. Got to thank my buddy Tony S. for sending this my way. I have until now not had, I want to make sure it's not too tight. It's a little too tight. I've not had much of a chance to play with this one. Alright. Top of the keyway tension and our DeForest hybrid from Rare Element Lockpicks. Good click on one. Good click on three. Something dropped. Click on two. Seems like pin three. Yep, pin three. Everything feels frozen up. Let me see what we can get in here. There we go. Oh, there it is. I was like, I know I turned it. Anyway, I guess since we've got it open, we may as well gut it. Let's see. Hope my little screwdriver's long enough to get in there. Interesting. See the inside of the lock. I'll be right back, guys. Let me go answer this phone. I do apologize about that, guys. That was my coworker calling for no reason at all. Alright, got our screws, our actuator. Hell, the whole lock comes apart. That's pretty nifty. Now, as far as gutting this, just slides right out. Okay, we have the key, so I'm going to lock it up. This may be one that my There we go. Alright, I think that one's too big. I have a perfect 3D printed one here from Foxy. That'll work perfectly. Alright, here's our pins. As you would expect from an Abus made lock. Very nice looking pins. Everything had to be picked. Alright, focus back down there. There we go. Alright, straighten these out real quick. Alright, so we're going to start at the back. We're going to start at the front. Standard on one. Spool on two. And if this is anything like most Abus locks, everything else is probably a spool. Alright, there we go. Very typical Abus pinning. But if anybody was curious to see the guts, there they are. Alright guys, yeah, all in all, it's a pretty cool lockout tagout lock. I like how everything just comes apart. There we go. Yeah, very nifty. Alright guys, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next video.